It's Adrian from Progression. We got my boy Willie. We're about to do Progression Prep episode number 4. We haven't done a workout video in a while just because we've had a lot of stuff going on with our cars. We've been working on them. And the month of May was really busy. We had EDC. Ended up going to Michigan for Grid Life. And then I had a camping trip with my family. But we thought, why not bring it back into the fitness and kind of show you guys the progress that we've been doing. Obviously, Jeremy and Rudy couldn't make it today, so it's gonna be me and Will. We're gonna hit a good back and buy. I've still been on prep since January. Obviously, I had a couple weeks that I fell off. I was doing really good up until EDC, and then after those 2 weeks after EDC, I was like, you know what? I splurged. I never splurged. Probably ate more candy the 2 weeks after EDC than I think I have in like the last 2-3 years. But you gotta spoil yourself. You can't just what's it called? You can't just be serious all the time. You know, you gotta enjoy life as well. But we're about to get over there. About to eat the Rice Krispie Ideal. And if you guys want the bucked up, we got 20% off all bucked up products. They have everything for sleep, anything like that, any vitamins, anything you need. 20% off. Use the code PROGRESS with the 0, or the link will be in the bio. We're heading to Vasa right now. Get a good little pump. We're coming a little bit later just because we want the gym to be a little bit more empty. But if you guys haven't checked out Vasas, they're starting to pop up everywhere. It's definitely the move. Way better than Lifetime in my opinion, but we're gonna go ahead and bring you guys with. Said Rudy wasn't gonna come join me and Will, but look who decided to show up. Look who decided to show up. What else, Club? I got the boy Adam.
For the vlog?
Show us, baby. Come on, man.
You seen the new fitment?
Oh, yeah. Jesse just got new wheels. Video coming soon. No sneak peek until then. So I think Graham's going to be joining us. Rudy and Jesse are going to do their own workout. They're hitting legs, but I just hit legs not too long ago. So it's going to be me and Will. We might have Graham in it. Maybe we'll help him film, but we'll see where this workout takes us. We're going to see what machines got open, and we'll just jump straight to it. Got the kid Marglo. About to drop that tag down below. Check out my boy's TikTok.
That again, bro. Show me that again. Come on. What that man doing over there?
You gotta follow my boy Gabriel Fitness. Buddy hitting 405 deadlifts, bro.
That's insane, bro.
Show up, Gabriel.
Mid-workout. He's leaving us mid-workout. He didn't even get.
He said he wanted to come work out with us, but look at that. He said he wanted to stay handsome.
I lifted. You'll probably see a little portion of me in the video. I lifted.
He was in the background.
Yeah, I seen that. He's still handsome as fuck, though, right?
Handsome as dude. Here, 3 hours later, still, and look who's still here.
Bro, he disappeared.
Look who's still here. The young goats.
Like 2 hours.
You have gotten here for like 4 hours, bro. Cause I've only been here for, you've been here for 4 hours, bro, at least.
I know.
Yeah, at least, bro. Cause we've been here for like an hour and a half.
Y'all know what time it is. Y'all heard it here first. That pretty much sums it up for today's video. We've been here for about 3-4 hours. We got here at 8. It's about to be midnight. They're closing.
Yeah,
so me and Will had to bounce.
We talked a lot with people. So like,
yeah, we met a lot of cool people. We met two new people, pretty chill people. We're gonna be having a lot more workout videos. It's just been a little bit harder because we've had so much car stuff, and the month of May was a lot busier just because we had EDC. We went to Michigan, and then I had camping with my family. So we've been running around a lot, so we haven't really had the chance for all of us to meet up to do a workout. But thankfully Will was down to come work out with me. It's been a while since I've worked out with him. Got a good back and bi workout. We hope that these gym videos are kind of motivating you guys to you know, hit the gym and, you know, push yourselves to, you know, get yourselves out there, you know, and feel comfortable at the gym. You know, if you guys ever need any pointers, you guys can feel free to reach out to us if you need any pointers on cars, fitness, you know, any of that. But we will definitely have a lot more videos soon. I know Rudy has a lot to do. Jeremy has a lot to do. I have a couple videos left. I still have to do the RGB headlights and the E85 on my car with the custom tune. I think I'm gonna go with Wedge Performance, so we'll see how that comes out. But we'll see what Rudy has and Jeremy. I know Jesse just got a brand new wheels, so we'll be having a new video of that. He's still got a couple things I think left with his shifter, and I have to get a couple things more ready for Slammed Enough, because we have Slammed Enough Chicago next Sunday, so that'll be next week's video. Stay tuned for that. I know for a fact me and Rudy will be outdoors. I'm still waiting to see if Jeremy filled out his application. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I'm sure we'll be at the pre-meet. I think they have a pre-meet next Saturday. We might film that. We'll see. You guys stay tuned for that. If you guys haven't watched our old videos, you know, like I said, we do a lot of car videos. If you guys want to watch our builds, we have a behind the build, so it's a little bit of an explanation on what we do with our cars. But if you guys are enjoying the videos, make sure to leave a like and a comment. You know, that helps a lot with the algorithm and kind of helps push our content out a lot more, which is obviously helpful for us. You know, we want to grow our channel, and while we grow, we want to grow with you guys. We want to build like a community where we're just all progressing together, hence the name Progression. It's continuous progress in every point in life, not just the gym, you know, it's cars, it's in your own life. You know, you do things for your boss, why not do it for yourself? You know, invest in yourself. You know, you don't want to just give your whole life away to partying and working for somebody else and expanding their business. You want to, even if you're not trying to make a business, you know, find something that makes you happy. And something that makes life worth it for you. You don't want to be miserable the rest of your life. You know, we're young now, so you want to invest, save up, put yourself in a position to be a better person and, you know, be able to help others. So, like I said, we hope you're enjoying these videos. And as always, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below saying thanks to Will for coming and filming with me. Made it a lot easier. And if you guys are ever at Vasa, you know, feel free to come up and say what's up. You know, obviously we like talking to people, and as people say that I'm intimidated, I'm not. I'm like a big teddy bear, so you know, just
scary ass. Yeah, scary ass dude. Don't believe him, bro. Look at him.
Hell no. You know what? Scratch the comment, but you know, as always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.